Hey guys, so today I have here the JBL TUNE125tws truly wireless earbuds. This is the unboxing video, and so these new earbuds here come with a total battery life of 32 hours. And that consists of 8 hours within the earbuds and then an additional 24 hours of battery life in the charging case. So the earbuds come with a Google Fast Pairing feature. And then also with voice assist, so you can use Google Assist, Siri or Bixby. And then new in this model is the ability to use both earbuds here either in stereo mode or in mono mode. So you can just use either the left earbud or the right earbud. Okay, so then the earbuds come with the JBL Pure Bass sound. They have a comfort fit and they support hands-free stereo calls. But now let's finally open up the package here and let's have a look inside. So the first thing we see here is the package here on the back, and that's where all the paperwork is in. And one part is here the quick start guide. I suggest if you want to take a deeper look here, then maybe just pause the video for a second so you can read exactly what this says here. I'm just going to go through this really quickly. Then also here on the back side we have the specifications. Okay, so next we have the charging cable. That is now finally the USB Type-C connector here. You see this? It's not the micro USB anymore. And let's have a look at the charging case. So this looks really similar to the TUNE125tws charging case, except here for the charging port. As I said before, no more micro USB. Okay, so then here we have the lid, and we see here those little 3 dots here. That's the LEDs for the charging state of the case. Right now they are turned off because there's nothing in here. And you can see the holes here for the earbuds. And you see 3 pins here for each earbud. And now you also see here, the LEDs light up. Okay, so then the lid is magnetic again. You see this doesn't just open up by itself. So the magnet holds it shut. Then for the earbuds we have 3 different ear tip sizes. So the medium size is pre-installed, and then in this little baggie here we have the small and the large. Now let's have a look at the earbuds themselves. So let me take out the right one here. See here, the backside still has the manual button here, mechanical button. And to the right next to it is a LED. So that's where you see if the earbuds is being charged or if it's connected to your phone. And here the medium size ear tip. And here these 3 holes, that's where the contacts go in for the charging case. You have to make sure that these are really clean. If they gum up over time, then that may cause some trouble and the earbud wasn't charged anymore. And here on the side you see the R, because this is here the right earbud. And then if we take off the ear tip, it's really easy to replace it. You can see here the transducer down there. I don't know, you can't really see it, it's so far in. Now before we can start using them, we have to charge the earbuds. The batteries are actually empty here, so I'm going to put the right earbud into the charging case now. So you see the LED on the earbud turns on, so that means it's being charged right now. The charging case comes fully charged. And charging the battery of the charging case takes about 2 hours, and as far as I can tell, the earbuds take just over an hour to be fully charged. So I'm going to also put now the left one in here, and then in a little while I can finally start using them and trying them out.